Good morning po sa inyong lahat mga kapatid. Pag-usapan natin ngayon itong I'm sure nabalitaan nyo na to. Si Robin Padilla po pala inaway ng mga executives ng PDP. Nako. Sino-sino ba mga executives ng PDP? PDP Laban officers. Naisip ko lang tingnan na. Kasi si Robin Padilla ngayon, si Robin Padilla po kasi ang pinaka-presidente ng PDP Laban sa ngayon. Alright? So, I want to know sino itong mga umaway po kay Robin Padilla. Okay, hold on one sec. Let me just add this. Hey, where are you? Lah, namuhong yun sa napunta. Sinave ko na eh. Yung mga officials. Okay. So, ito ay nasa... Ayan. Ayun, ito ho yung mga officers ngayon ng PDP Laban. Yan. Tandaan nyo Robin Padilla, siya po yung presidente. Ang ginawa nito kasi inendorso niya si Amy Marcos. And then ang vice president po ay si Mayor Baste. Executive vice president. Okay? Kasi ang nasa balita po, mga executive daw po ng PDP Laban. Alright, so si Baste walang pinapaligtas Si Bongo kinakanaan nito. Tapos, nako, si Ipe, walang iya. May ulo ba to? Vice President for Luzon, Vivian Velez para sa NCR, and then si Mike Rama naman ng Visayas, and then Bato de la Rosa, Mindanao, Lambino naman para sa sa international relations. Naalala ko yung nag-video nito na iiyak-iyak doon sa sa isang symposium sa China. Kasi ito yung balita sabi dito Robin Padilla, actually lumayas na nga pala si Robin Padilla sa mga GC ng PDP Laban. Hindi nyo nabalitaan yan. Ayun, sabi rito, Robin Padilla allegedly slammed by PDP executives for endorsing Amy Marcos. Ba't hindi mo kasi ipinaalam pala sa kanila? Di ba? You acted on your own. Eto, Robin Padilla has his own set of senatorial candidates different from PDP's choice. And so Senator Robin Padilla received criticisms from the executives of Partido Demokratiko Pilipino, PADAPA, for endorsing lang yan, wala nang laban, for endorsing the senatorial candidacy of Senator Amy. Yan, Senator Amy seeking re-election sa 2025. Previously, her campaign advertisement with Vice President Sara Duterte went viral. It is known to many Filipinos that VP Sara and Senator Amy are not on good terms. Sila ni PBBM. Okay? Senator Amy asserted in a statement that VP Sara's endorsement was not a reward for the Senate hearing regarding former President Duterte's arrest. Okay? And then aside from the Vice President, Robin Padilla is also endorsing Amy, which allegedly did not sit well with the executives of PDP. The political party led by FPRRD has already released its Duterte. So meron na silang Duterte. Dito naman po sa atin ay tawag dito, Alyansa 11, di ba? And then the list of senatorial candidates that it is endorsing based on the article in Aban